Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. This is my Friday Night Gab. Good to see everybody. I wanted to thank y'all, whoever was able to make it to my live last week. This video is a video, it's not live. Last week I was live, and I usually go live about once a month or so on a Friday night, on my Friday Night Gab, and we just have a really good time when I go live. And I think some of you want me to do it more often, but I think if I did it every week or like that, I think it would get stale. That's why I just do it once a month. So, and then a couple of times I have done an extra one here and there, so you never know when I might do that. So anyway, I wanted to thank you all for coming to that. And for the ones that were there, I have a little giveaway. I did say if you were there and you commented, and so then I knew you were there, to please go and comment on the regular portion of the video, below the video, to let me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway, which I will announce next Friday night. That was just for people that were in the live. I don't like to do giveaways in lives because I have seen some channels have trouble with that, where no matter if you pick a number, I mean, several of y'all have told me try this, try that, and there's a delay for some and not everybody, or I don't know, but I know that sometimes people say that I already answered that and that's what I said, and then they get skipped over for the giveaway. So I don't like to do that. So I do like to do my giveaways outside of there. But sometimes I will tell you all to comment and then you can win something. So it's just a small giveaway. It's not a big deal or anything. But again, I want to thank y'all. And a couple of things. I did have the adjuster come to my house, the insurance adjuster come to my house. And I do have some, what it is we've had really bad winds here for months, since maybe October, November, really bad winds. And I had, last year I had a tree fall and had to have that all cut down, and that was a big deal. And that seemed to not bother my house so much, but I found out a little bit later that it did bother my house a little bit. So just little minor things that in accumulation of the wind and the rains, and then that really bad cold we had over Christmas weekend, I have some water damage in one of my bedrooms on the ceiling. The ceiling, the white ceiling turned brown in a corner, quite a big, I don't know, couple of 3 by 3 feet, maybe not that big, but maybe bigger. I'm not real good at that kind of thing, but water damage. So where did the water come from is the question. So my roof is 11 years old, which to me still feels like that's a new roof. Back in the day, long time ago, roofs would last 20, 30 years. But that's like everything, like appliances and all that. And that doesn't happen anymore. But the adjuster looked at my roof, and he went all over, and he said it's in pretty good shape. There's a couple of minor issues with the roof that would be with the wind, the way that the wind hits the house, the direction that it comes from, and these couple of minor things could cause water to come in. And then, and then it collects. I forget what that term that people say about water. It takes the path of least resistance. So that's where it ended up on my ceiling. So have some things that have to be taken care of, and have a big deductible, which in the South, you have a big deductible here. I keep coughing, sorry. I think it's because of all the tornadoes and things we have here. So that's just going to be a little difficult. So, but I've got to get it figured out. And it's the thing about it is, I'm very fortunate. It's not a terrible amount of damage. So it's not the kind of thing that a contractor wants to do, because they want big jobs. So it's just finding the right person or people to do it. So I'm working on that. Okay. So, what else do I have to tell you? I have been, in this treasure trove giveaway that I do monthly, I have been adding some bonuses here and there in different videos So I hope that y'all are looking for that, and you know, keeping track of that. And it shouldn't be difficult for you to keep track. And you know what? Don't worry if you don't keep track and you don't remember anything. That's okay. If you win the treasure trove giveaway, you win the prize that you choose. The bonuses are just additional things that I can put into your giveaway if you win, if you would like them. So if you're watching me from your phone, I'm sorry, because I keep stopping to cough, and then my eyes are watering now. I don't know what's getting in my way. If you keep track, if you're watching with your phone, then your phone has you know, different kinds of something. You could keep a list in your phone and make it easy for yourself instead of having to always look for your paper. I personally love paper, so I always have booklets everywhere, you know, journals, things like that, things that y'all have sent me. You know, I love them. Okay, and now there, you know, I do have other giveaways going on. I always have giveaways going on. That's the treasure trove giveaway. The Whisk F bag giveaway is going to end on the 25th, I think it is, of January. So please go see that if you haven't already. That's a fantastic giveaway. There will be 5 winners, and y'all will win $15 to spend on the website. So I'm just really excited for y'all, because that is a good savings. And then, you know, a lot of y'all have told me, oh yeah, you want a lot of things. And they're very reasonable. They're very nice bags. I have a bunch of them now. I'm not actually giving any away, the ones I showed you this time. So they will end up in giveaways, in future giveaways and things like that. So keep a watch for that. And yesterday, my Fab Fit Fun battle went up with Johanna from JM Unboxing and More. And y'all, this is our 20th battle, 20. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I mean, I can't believe I've been on YouTube that long to have 20 of a series going out of anything. So I'm just super excited about that. And I've got some other things coming up in February and whatever. Things are coming up, so keep a lookout for that. And I did want to say, I've been watching, I want to encourage everybody to watch Charmaine's Staycation. She's really done a lot of work on this collab that she's doing for January, Beat the Blues collab. And, you know, I'm in it with her, but I only had to do 1 day's worth of work. She's doing 31 days worth of work. She's filming 31 videos. She's doing 31 giveaways. My giveaway is done. I have chosen a winner. I haven't actually, let me think about that. I haven't actually put that video up yet. I'll be putting it up this weekend. I have to make the video, but I know who the winner is. And Charmaine's is going to go through, you have to watch, well, hers won't be picked till February, but some of us now are picking winners. I saw a couple already post, but I just didn't post mine yet. I was day number 1. You can still go back and see it, and you can enter Charmaine's portion of the giveaway. But she just put so much work into this, and please go see her for it, because it's really a phenomenal thing that she came up with for all of us, for the 31 channels that are involved with her. And I just wanted to tell you, if you haven't seen it, if you haven't seen any of it, go see it. Go see some of it. You can always go back and watch the videos where the giveaways have ended, which would be my giveaway. But and I'd love for you to go watch it. But if you watch the ones going forward, those are still available, and a lot of them are still available. I think just 3 or 4 of us have already picked. So anyway, that's that, and I think that's everything about giveaways. But why I bring up Charmaine is I am behind on her videos also, but I kept, you know, I'm able to watch 3 or 4 at a time. That's what I've been doing. So in one of her videos, that I don't remember which one it was, and you know, honestly, it may not have even been one of her Beat the Blues. I think it was though, but she said something, and she mentioned me, I think it was, because I reminded her because in a video a while back, I said, use your good stuff. You know, I am remembering when I said that a year ago, at Christmas time. I think it was like New Year's Eve. And I had some sparkling wine that I was showing you, And I have these gorgeous glasses, champagne glasses, that were given to me when I got married. There's 2 of them. They are Waterford. They're so bougie and gorgeous, and I never ever use them. And I wanted to showcase this sparkly wine for you because I had an advent calendar of it at the time. And so I wanted to use a beautiful glass. So I got that out. It was still in the box. It was still in the original box. So I got it out, and I'm thinking I did put them in my china cabinet. I have a couple china cabinets. Yes, there they are. So I wanted to just tell you and remind you to use your good stuff. So Charmaine saw that video a year ago, and she said that it reminds her often to remember to use your good stuff. Y'all, I've had 2 people in my life recently pass away, and they just were gone. You know, I won't go into detail about it, but they just were gone. And even if you suffer a long illness or anything, which is, I mean, death is a part of life, as my father used to say. Why save your good stuff? You know, I see a lot, like on the Facebook yard sales, I see these yard sales of people getting rid of all their grandmother's things. And the grandmother just cherished those things and had collections, salt and pepper shakers, little dolls, little things that people used to always collect. Some people collect them now, but some people, they don't even care about them anymore. Their grandchildren, get rid of that stuff. It's old fashioned. If you have things like that, take it out and look at it and enjoy it. If you have china that you got when you got married and you only use it, you're using paper plates. Don't do that. Use your china. So what if one drops and breaks? So what? It drops and breaks. Use it, and you'll feel special if you are using these things. You know, like I said yesterday, in my Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle, I got this lippy, and it is not my color, but I am going to use it. You're going to see me with it on. But it's this container, this Marc Jacobs. It's just so bougie to me. I want to just hold it. I want to have it in my purse. I want to open my purse and see it. It's the kind of thing that you wouldn't use every day, but I am going to use my good stuff. I try to remind myself to use my good stuff. You know, a lot of times I do that where if I have 5 things, just say, for example, one is really expensive, not because it came in a box, and then I have cheap ones from the Dollar Tree or something. I'll use those cheap ones first and save that one for just the right day or just the right whatever. Why? Let's not do that anymore, y'all. I mean, really, I think that if you use your good stuff, you're taking care of yourself. Take care of yourself. No one's going to take care of yourself but you. Now, and that's really true for women especially. Some of us have wonderful people in our lives that take care of us, and that's fantastic. And God bless you if you have that. But if you don't have that, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Use your good stuff. Use your good stuff. And I mean it. Whatever it is, whether it's a crystal goblet, a crystal glass, a beautiful plate. You know, I do have some collectible things. I have some pretty china teacups, but I have one. You know, they're not a set. I have one of this, one of that, different kinds. If you came to my house, we could all sit down and have tea and have a different cup. But I use those regularly because they make me happy. Just seeing them makes me happy. Having them put away in a box doesn't make me happy. So use your good stuff. It will brighten your day, especially when you're having a lousy day. And the reason I brought up losing people is, you know, were they putting things aside for a better day, a different day? We'll have that next week. And they didn't get to. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying that you should indulge yourself constantly, but if you have pretty things around, enjoy them. Enjoy them. That's what I'm saying. Count your blessings, enjoy your things, and y'all have a fantastic evening, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I will be seeing you soon, I hope. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up, and y'all tell your friends about me. I would like to keep growing. So thank you for being here, and count your blessings. And I adore all of you, and I'm so glad you're here with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.